everyone, welcome to Super Traveler, and this is another episode from the series where I was covering up a forest, and I have finally reached kind of at the end of it. Did I? I don't think so, but I believe that I have reached somewhere. But if you want to discover what's there on the other side of the forest, then you need to follow my Facebook page. No, I haven't opened up a Facebook page yet. I should actually. So anyways, you should follow, like, and subscribe my channel, Super Traveler. Oh, look at this amazing flowers. Look at this amazing flowers, people. It's beautiful. So do you know what is the name of this flower?
Ромашки.
Aramashki. Okay, so why do people call this aramashki? Because it has great aroma?
No, it's just
Romashki. Oh, okay. So what is the name of this particular flower?
I think I forgot.
It's okay.
When I was a child, I remember when I was a child, I was told the names of these flowers. I asked others about the names, but now I don't know.
Okay. Yes, I think I've covered at least half of the forest, right? Because I can see a road here. I don't know how I'm gonna go back. Oh my god, I have walked so far. This is going to be hectic to go back. Now, where does this road go? To another city? Or it's under Michelin City? Oh, this is part of another. Oh, sorry, this is another part of the Michelin City. Okay. So there will be houses near. Okay.
These trees are white. These are beryosa.
Oh, these trees with white colored trunks are known as beryosa. Beryosa. Yeah. So, is there any village near this city?
I would call Michelinsk a big village.
Okay, people, like the way in Bangladesh we call Uttara, some of the people who calls Uttara village. So like that, there are few Russians who call Michelinsk village. Because Michelinsk is under... Yeah, there are many people. So Michelinsk is under Tambov region, right? Tambov region. So maybe people who are living in central Tambov, they think that Michelinsk is a village. Or it's like similar to Uttara, like the people who live in Dhanmondi, they think that Uttara is a village. Okay, anyways. So I'm not promoting any city right here, but I'm just showing you how beautiful Russia is and inviting you to travel with me in a beautiful city of Russia. And look at the sky. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Do you know what's the time in Bangladesh right now? So what's the time right now? 2:45. So that means in Bangladesh it's 5:45 right now, most probably. Great, stay tuned to discover what's there. Okay, people, I'm on my way back. Yes, I'm on my way back to the river, and maybe in some time I'll reach my home as well. I will end today's exploration because it's really hot and I'm tired. Now I don't know that if if you can understand through my heavy breathing that I have walked a lot and I didn't carry my water bottle with me. So it's a lesson for me. Next time when I will walk through a forest in a hot sunny day, then I must carry some water with me. It's a lesson I learned today. Yeah. Okay. So, people, hello. Oh, this forest is so beautiful. You know, Russia is the world's largest country, and it has the amount of natural resources that we can't ever even imagine, but it lacks population. So that's why they suffer through lack of human resource and enough laborers to work on any labor-intensive projects. I believe if Russia does something to actually use its natural resources, economically Russia will prosper. That's a perspective of an economist. Yes, I'm an economist. Oh, I can see someone riding a bike. Finally, I found someone in the forest. So Russians often ride bike through this road that you can see in the middle of the forest. Yeah. So as I was saying, from an economist perspective, I believe if Russia can use all its natural resources properly and economize the use of all these resources, then of course Russia will prosper more than they can ever imagine. Yep. So, Russians, not Russia. Russia is a country. Russians are the people. So Russians will prosper more than they can ever imagine. So Indiana, do you agree with me? I was telling the viewers that if Russia can utilize all its natural resources properly, then Russia can economically develop than any other country. Because it's the world's largest country and it consists of a lot of natural resources. What do you think? Do you agree?
Yes.
But can you tell me why Russian people suffer through lack of population?
It's just a long story.
It's a long story. Okay.
Like we had the wars.
Okay.
I mean Russia had wars.
So because of the war and all the other distraction in the history or previously that took place.
Some way of life. Way of lives.
Okay, so it's also the way people live their life. Like, are you referring to the drinking habit?
Not always.
But there are many other different factors which kind of
Yeah, like smoking, alcohol.
so over.
Too much stress.
Okay, too much stress, overuse of alcohol and all this. For this reason, historically, Russia has suffered with lack of population, or the demographic rate is minus. But now it's changing, right? Because I have a friend, and let me tell you, she's quite healthy. She's a vegetarian and she's against drinking and smoking. And there are many Russians who doesn't drink and smoke and who live peacefully and who are in love with nature. So I think the time is changing, people. But if you consider that drinking and smoking and all this other lifestyle which is vulnerable for population growth, which is a restriction for the population growth, then I think North American countries or other English-speaking countries are way ahead than Russia, because they use alcohol like no one else.
That's what I wanted to say.
Oh, that's what you wanted to
It's not
say.
only the Russians.
Yes, yes.
Russia.
So anyways, let's not move into any discussion that will create a kind of debate and which will bring such big terms like racism and colorism and whatever. So anyways, I think it depends on individual people. So if you as an individual person wants to choose a life which is simple and which is more ethical and more relatable and not at all vulnerable but healthy, then you will have such life. So it's actually people's choice to blame, right? So what do you think? So if people make rational decision, then nothing else can actually make them to do something out of law or, unhealthy lifestyle and stuff. Anyways, as I have nothing to do, so I'm chit-chatting and recording it as well. So yeah, it's a beautiful forest, I must say. I've never walked inside a forest like this on my own with a friend, because in our country it will be really dangerous to walk inside a forest like this, because there will be criminals and goons everywhere to hijack you and harass you. So here I think it's a little bit safer. Yes, of course. Yes, if a beautiful lady like Indiana can walk alone through this forest, that means you will have an idea how much safe and secured Russia is. So they're playing games here. So I am back. Здравствуйте! Да. Okay, people, I am back to the river. And here you can see all the people. They are having a peaceful, relaxed time just under the sun and in the cold water of the river. Am I right, Indiana? Yeah, it's really hot, I know. And my skin is burning like anything. But there are beautiful flowers everywhere, people. Okay, so that place is under construction because people are still constructing that place. And yeah, so Russian children are really beautiful. See, they're playing here, and oh my god, the view, oh the view. I think I'll be able to look at it for hours and hours and hours. It's so peaceful and nice. Although it's sunny and the sun is really bothering, but I'm not sweating, people. I'm not sweating at all. And there is a little breeze, but then yeah, still it's quite tiring to walk around. Okay. So in Russia, only for 2 months people can enjoy the summer, right?
3 months.
3 months. So what are the 3 months?
Just 3 months of summer, June, July, August, but sometimes, I mean, often, May and, yes, in May, May also has its weather.
So June, July and
4,
August.
5,
4, 5 months. But I can only see that for 2 months people are having this life, because before that it was really cold. And there was some ice
sometimes
rain, which is also known as, what do you call ice rains, or oh, currently I can't remember the name of that particular type of rain where you have ice falling from the sky rather than water. Grat? Grat? Yeah.
don't go to my own.
Okay. So often when I come in the evening here, I go and sit on those chairs and listen to music, or just look around, look at the swans that swim in the river, and also take a long walk. I can spend more than 3 to 4 hours here peacefully without any internet or anything. So if you think that it's really important to have nature in front of your house where you can spend some peaceful time, then you're absolutely right, people. Absolutely right. So earlier I was referring to ice rain, which is not actually ice rain, but it's hail. So I was not being able to remember the word, but thanks to Indiana, she reminded me it's known as hail. And in Russian it's known as Grat. Grat. Okay, no worries. Okay, people, so now I will walk back to my home. And do you want to come along with me? If you want to come along, then you have to watch the next episode, where I will walk back to my house and I will show you a larger view of this place, just outside my door. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.